Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Amir. So, if y'all didn't see my TikTok, I recently just received this jet black S25 Ultra as a replacement with my non-working S25 Ultra, which had a charging issue that doesn't charge. So, finally, got it back. Let's look at the display here. Yeah. So now we're going to be applying a screen protector and a case from PanzerGlass. Let's do that. Just give me a moment. Alright, y'all. Now let's install the screen protector. Let's open this up first. Open here. There we go. Here's the case. As you can see, the new case came with it. The camera protector, I'm not going to be putting that on right now. The main focus here is the screen protector. It's a privacy screen protector. Let's put it right here. Later we'll deal with that. Alright. That's how I usually install screen protectors. Alright, y'all, installed it. This was a pretty easy application. Didn't need a lot of hassling and everything. Looks brand new now. Basically, finally. Looks perfect. Perfect. No bubbles at all. Yep. There we go. Privacy screen protector. Now let's install the case. We're going to do that now. I'm not going to be installing the camera protector. Keeping it in a moment. Alright, thank you, PanzerGlass. Thank you for giving me some tips. Now let's get the back done here. Give me a moment, y'all. What the hell? Here it is, y'all. There we go. Installed the brand new screen protector. Always make sure there's no dust specks or anything that might be blocking making any issue connection between this. Yep, here you need to make sure that this part is clean, because I'm gonna be installing this case. I don't want any dirt being in between. Guys, you don't know this about me, but I have a phobia of, I don't like seeing dust under the case, and just ruins the phone aesthetic itself, and it doesn't really look too professional. Now let's install the brand new case. Come on. There we go. Y'all, this is the case. Alright y'all, that's going to be it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.